The Selfish Gene, by Richard Dawkins, is a groundbreaking science book that argues that genes, not organisms, are the fundamental unit of natural selection. The book is structured around the idea that genes, selfishly, seek to replicate themselves and increase their frequency in the gene pool, even if it means sacrificing the well-being of the organism that carries them. Dawkins first introduces the concept of the selfish gene in the opening chapter, where he explains that organisms are just vehicles that genes use to propagate themselves. He argues that this view of evolution has significant implications for our understanding of altruism and selfishness. He suggests that behaviors that seem altruistic, such as a bird sacrificing its life to warn others of a predator, can actually be explained by the fact that the bird shares genes with the other birds it is helping. Dawkins then goes on to explore various aspects of evolution through the lens of the selfish gene. He explains how genes can influence behavior, such as the behavior of honeybees and the mating habits of various species. He also discusses how genes can interact with each other to produce complex behaviors, such as the development of language in humans. One of the most significant contributions of the book is Dawkins' discussion of the evolution of social behavior. He argues that social behavior, such as altruism, can evolve through a process he calls kin selection. Kin selection occurs when an organism behaves in a way that benefits its close relatives, who share many of the same genes. This behavior can increase the frequency of those genes in the gene pool, even if it means sacrificing the well-being of the individual organism. Dawkins also introduces the concept of memes, which are cultural units that are transmitted from one individual to another and can evolve in a similar way to genes. He suggests that memes, like genes, can, selfishly, seek to propagate themselves and that they play a role in shaping human behavior and culture. Overall, The Selfish Gene is a thought-provoking and insightful book that challenges conventional wisdom about how evolution works. It offers a new perspective on evolution that has had a significant impact on the field of biology and beyond.